Mama loves that smile. Riley is 1 month and 1 day old today. And she's sleeping, as you can see. We're getting the nursing thing down pretty well, which makes me happy, makes her happy, as you can see. She's in her nest again, her little nest. I had to move her off the sofa though because her legs are so strong that she can push back, and if she can push back eventually she'll be able to push herself off. She can't push herself off of this chair here because of how I have her laying in. Oh really? Because of how I have her laying in, because it's not slippery like the sofa. Anyways, thanks again for everyone sending your love and congratulations, and thank you for sharing me with me and with Richard this gift. That's pretty much all I can call her is a gift. That's what she is. My present. A present for being good. Yay for me. I hope you can hear her. She's snoring a little bit. Send another vlog again soon. Bye.